Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
See, the time hasn't changed a thing. It's very deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I'll never. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die, and I will never want
Looks really good. Oh wow, that's pretty nice.
You probably hope it never would end. Like, is it the real thing? Or is it just a one night stand? Well then, don't syndicate remix. I'm calling with the money, I got a verse. I put this shit on quick.
Wow, this is really nice.
I didn't have my truck started, so.
Yeah, the voltage drop without the battery bank, or not being electrically charged. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Me and a couple of guys at the shop.
Okay. Could you tell me what's in here real quick? Just like equipment and your name?
Ron from Sound Solutions in Michigan. He's got 8 Ground Zero Nuclear 15 XPAX 15s, 2 Sound Digital 20Ks, all Ground Zero red baskets in the front. The Pro N19s tweeters and powered by Sound Digital Evo X.
Very nice. And this is a 4th order or 6th order band pass?
So it's a parallel 6.
Okay.
Something a little bit different than a lot of people do.
Is there, is the front port, back port, or?
So this is kind of the high port,
Okay.
and then the low port.
Got it. Okay. Oh, so you kind of built a tunnel underneath. Wow.
So
okay.
it's 2 boxes, you know, so it's down there. And then
Yes,
this
sir.
is a tablet. I don't have Wi-Fi here or whatever. I don't have my MiFi, so this is actually this Microsoft Surface.
Okay.
So that I can play video or whatever.
Yeah.
There's a Wi-Fi router in here. I actually can hook my phone to it and do like video.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Yeah, I don't see very many boxes like that. That's pretty cool.
No, it's
Parallel.
not very common for sure.
No. Did you do any SPL tests on it when you burped it, just to see the numbers?
I was playing with it. I know I got a 61 at 25. But that's been some while back on some build tests. I haven't really done a lot of metering with it. So
Yes, sir.
It'd be a little better if I didn't have the wounded subs. As you can see, I got some speaker confetti coming out. But
Yeah. Ground Zero German engineering. Awesome. Never really seen these magnets. Are huge. Oh, these are 4 or 3-inch coil subs. You know the.
These are 3-inch coils.
Okay.
They make a big brother to these.
Uh-huh.
So they have the plutonium 4-inch coil.
Yeah.
These are 4,000 RMS.
Yes, sir.
The plutoniums are 6,000.
Okay. Wow. Want me to keep this door open or closed or window down?
I can do it. It doesn't matter. This thing does pretty well.
Okay. I'll do window down.
Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Come on.
drop without the battery bank, or not being electrically charged. That's awesome. It's got really good bandwidth too. Yeah, that box layout you have.
It'd be a little better if I didn't have the wounded subs. As you can see, I got some speakers steady coming out. But
Yeah. Thank you very much for the demo. I'm sorry about the. I'm sure you've had issues with it, but yes, sir. Okay. Wow. Thank you very much, man.
Thank you.